how to add a payment method in Roblox. So if you want to add a payment method in Roblox, then first you just need to open up your Roblox application. Once you open up your Roblox, now you can simply go for more, which is here on the left. And once you're here under the more, you need to go for settings. Under your settings, you need to go for payment methods. Under payment methods, you will have an option of payment methods again. So simply go for the payment methods, or you may also have an option of billing. So go for billing or payment methods. And once you're here, you need to go for add. Once you tap on add, it will take you to add payment method, where you can enter your credit or your debit card. You can enter your card number, your expiration date, your CVC number, your billing email, and then your billing address. So enter your first and last name, enter your country or region, and then the address line, and click on save, and your payment method will be added. So that's how you can add a payment method in Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.